Hello, Zombie Steve here, and today we look at a bunch of DUGGEE toys! Haha, DUGGEE! Oh, and we first look at action figures because we love action figures. And here we have Pirate DUGGEE. Oh, come out of there, Pirate DUGGEE, because we must play pirates. Oh, cool. And look at DUGGEE. Yay, me go play pirates. Rah, pirate. And look, other figure is of Happy, and he looks like he's wearing pirate uniform too. Haha, come out of there, Pirate Happy. Woo, you want to be pirates? Yes, let's go play pirates. Look, we have third figure of Betty. I don't think she's wearing pirate outfit, but oh, that's okay. We will have pirate game with Betty too. Right, DUGGEE? Yes, now we need pirate ship. Oh, and guess what? We've got one. Hey, getting your pirate zip, DUGGEE. All right, let's go.
All right, guys, let's set sail for, some more action figures. You got it, DUGGEE. Let's go.
Haha, so cool. And uh-oh, looks like they're about to meet up with DUGGEE and the Super Squirrels. Oh, cool. This is 6-pack of figures of the Super Squirrel Squad. Ha, neato. And we get all kinds of figures here. First we get Super DUGGEE with Super Cape. Then we get Super Happy with with another Super Cape. Then we get Super Betty that doesn't have a cape. But ooh, look, we get new figure of Rolly. Oh, cool, we don't have him. And we have figure of Tag. Hi, Tag. Don't fall down. You stand up. Awesome. And we also get figure of the really cute Nori. Oh, she's so little and small. Uh-oh, but wait a minute. Here comes the pirates. Oh, no. Are they going to cause trouble?
No, we just want to be friends. All right, I want to be friends. But DUGGEE, if we're going to all be friends, we're going to need a clubhouse. Oh, yeah, you're right. Good thing we've got one right here.
Oh, look at this big playhouse. Oh, I can't wait to open this. Oh, this is so cool. Look at this playset, the Squirrel Clubhouse for all the Super Squirrels. Awesome. Come out of there so we can have super fun time. Oh, this playset is the coolest thing we ever see. Oh, 6 rooms of fun. I can't wait to play. Oh, this playset is the awesomest. Awesome. Okay, so here we have Clubhouse. Ooh, look at outside. It even says Clubhouse. Oh, cool, and it's got little doors and windows and oh, it's so cool.
Yeah, guys, this will be the best clubhouse that we can play in. Oh, yay, I agree. Yay, the Super Squirrels will be awesome. Super awesome.
Yeah, awesome, let's get inside. Time to open this door here and come on, let's go, guys, yay.
Ha, yay, the Super Squirrels are awesome. Yay. Wow, this clubhouse is the best, DUGGEE. Yeah, there's so much room in here. Yep, I know, and there's just so many rooms that we can play in. Look at that. Awesome. Well, let's put a couch down here so I can go to sleep. All right, good night, guys. Oh, and look, there's a kitchen over in this area. And we've got a stove and some chairs so we can sit at the table. Oh, yay, this table is the best. Oh, but wait a minute, that table is attached to the wall. I wonder what happens if I stand on it. Oh, I feel the table moving. Oh! Oh! Oh my goodness, I'm in a secret room. Oh, cool, look at that. A secret room. Hey, DUGGEE, come here. What? Betty found a secret room upstairs. Really, how? Well, all you have to do is sit on the table. Where is the table? It's coming. Now we go up. Oh my gosh, a secret room. Betty, how'd you find this? I don't know, I just sat on the table. Well, good find, Betty. Hey guys, look what I found on this side of the clubhouse. Oh cool, it's a chalkboard. So we can write all our secret plans on that. And when we're done, we can flip it over and draw on it, yay! Boy, this clubhouse is the best, but wait a minute. Do you hear something coming from upstairs? I do, I wonder what it is. Time to go upstairs and investigate, and oh my goodness, it's a little kitty cat. Meow! Oh, I just love kitties. This kitty is mine. Oh, and look what else I found. A cardboard box we can play in. Now we can play hide and seek. Hey, DUGGEE, I found you. Boo! That's okay, because there's another toy on the other side of the playset. Ooh, what is that? I'm not sure what this is, but it rolls, so it's pretty cool. Huh, wait a minute, there's a button on the floor. I wonder what it does. Maybe you should press it and find out. Oh, good idea. And yes! Ah! Oh, I'm so sorry, Betty, are you okay? That was fun, can we do it again? Oh, Betty. Ooh, that clubhouse was so much fun. I agree, we'll have to come back here. And we even found ourselves a little kitty to play with. All right, well, time to go, it's getting late. Yep, and we have to go home to eat supper at our house. guys. All right, bye, guys. I feel like we're forgetting something. Well, it's probably nothing. Hey, where did everybody go? Guys? Guys? Hello?
Ha ha! Silly Happy, he's so silly. Blah. Well, there they are, a bunch of super cool Hey Dougie toys. Awesome.